pissed off, man. Let me tell you why, guys. I'm a little pissed off. Now, I was doing that transmission over there. Y'all know the deal on that transmission, that ZF transmission I was overhauling. Now, the majority of the bolts on that transmission, guys, get this, 16 millimeter, right? How about this damn socket broke on me in the middle of working on this freaking truck, all right? This is, what's the name of this? This is a Mac 2, guys. Anybody seen a Mac 2 truck lately? Yes, they no longer freaking exist, all right? So you know what I did? I had the bright idea to do. I'm going to get me one. The Snap-on man was here today, so I think he was being funny. He set these two flyers over here right next to my two. I think he's trying to throw me a hint, but I ain't buying that hint. All right, guys, guess what? Harbor Freight right up the street. The price, I can get 10-piece set for $30 for the price of one freaking Mac socket. This is Mac, not Mac-O, Mac. There's no more Mac guy. I'm kind of pissed off, man, but you know what? I'm headed to Harbor Freight, man. Let's get it. Alrighty, guys. I know y'all didn't think I was playing, did you? Yeah, y'all see my current situation, okay? I cannot go a day without, this is 16, guys. I told you, 10, 16, 15, my two favorite. This is swivel, okay? I use this thing up until I almost got done with that Jeep, that Wrangler transmission. Yeah, I got to have one of these, okay? I cannot wait for a freaking tool truck that don't even exist anymore to show up. This is Mac. I haven't seen a Mac man in freaking decades. All right, I gotta have a two, and I can't even wait on a Snap-on. Whoa! What does Harbor Freight got going? They got the icons right up front. Y'all see this? See, this is Snap-on's baby brother tools. Icon is up there, guys. I mean, I know. Let me say this. I know. I'm a Super Tech. I'm a Master Tech. I'm an ASC certified Master Tech. I'm all of that. Whatever the hell that means. Some of y'all get caught up in these names. I don't. But I'm all of this. And look where I'm at. I'm in Harbor Freight. Again, one of the reasons is I can't go without this. Okay, so I didn't see none of these over there in the icon area, but Harbor Freight like this, a typical blowgun, like $20, I bet you. What's the price? Can't be no more than look at that, I was right, 19 freaking bucks. Who tell me they can't use a heat gun? Okay, here we go. Now what I'm gonna do first is find out if somebody make these in a professional version. Okay, look guys, let me explain the difference between the professional version and the DIY version. Okay, the professional version are meant for daily in the shop working on. Sears used to try not to warranty my tools because they said if I use them in a professional environment, that voids the warranty. Get the hell out of here with that. I ain't about to go to Lowe's. I don't even think Lowe's sell these. Right? But anyway, I'm where I want to be, and I don't see these in an icon version. Right? Icon is the professional version. However, oh yeah, they do. But this is half inch drive. What I got is a 3/8 drive. Now I can simply grab the swivel extensions and put a 16 millimeter socket on it. But I want my stuff already hooked up. I like to reach in my tray, grab and go. I don't want to be click, click. Yeah, I don't want to do all that. So, and like I said, I guarantee you this one tool is probably 40 or 50 bucks. Look at this. 39 freaking bucks. Look at that. And 16 happened to be, oh no, wait a minute. Oh no. It skipped over 16. No. No. Oh my God, they're gonna throw me out of here. It skipped over 16, dude. What the hell? I gotta have a 16. Do y'all sell it separately? Oh no, I've been let down by my favorite store. So what I'm about to do now, oh no. Wait a minute, make sure I ain't crazy. 13, 14, 15, 17. Oh my freaking goodness. Well, there goes that bright idea. Now, again, I can't wait till Monday or Sunday. I need this tomorrow. I already got a swivel, so what I'm gonna do Here's Pittsburgh version of a swivel impact. I'm just gonna, I guess I'm gonna be forced to click mine. You know what I can do? I can jump on Amazon. They always got their next day stuff. So if I do it now, what y'all think? It's like 6 o'clock right now. If I do it now, you think I can get it by tomorrow? Ah, my goodness. I've been let down twice today. Look at this, guys, the professional version of Icon. Now you know what I ran across that I needed, I didn't have today doing that transmission? Snap ring pliers. Yes, I got typical snap ring pliers, but some of those snap right here. No, the ones that open up the snap ring. I got a universal one that ended up working for me, but I need to kind of go, you put it in there and it opens the, not technically it's not a snap ring, it might be just a ring. Like on the output shaft, I don't know if y'all familiar with what I'm talking about, but on the output shaft there's a ring that you need a snap-on, not snap-on, you need a snap ring pliers. Damn. Flush cutters. Oh my goodness. What I'm gonna do tomorrow? I'm gonna have to borrow somebody too. I got a big job to do. I work with during flow, guys. I work with flow. I go smoothly when I'm under flow. No stress. Right? I cannot reach into my tray and something not be there. That drives me cuckoo. Yeah, they back. Remember they took a hiatus? The 5-piece remember Mountain and Easy Red Seller version? I got mine from Northern and Clutch, and they gave me a hard time. They wouldn't even warranty the damn thing. He said, I don't know what he said. Y'all remember that video I put out? The guy at Northern was acting funny. Yeah, y'all was telling me not to go back. They said Harbor Freight in big bold letters, lifetime warranty. So, and if you break one, I think they give you a whole set. I don't know how that works, but however, I ended up getting the one I need. I was only missing one. I can't have an incomplete set. But don't sleep on Icon, guys. Is it the same quality as Snap-on? Maybe not. It depends on who make the tool. Now, Snap-on got a name brand, okay? They want nothing but an image of high quality. All right, so they don't really want to go out like Cousin Pookie and them. All right, well, guys, I'm not going to waste any more time here, okay? I'm disappointed. Freak, I done came way up here. Not way, it's just 5 minutes away. So what I'm going to do is go home and get on the computer and see what I can come up with. Maybe I can get lucky and get something by tomorrow. All right, y'all, I got to go. Let me get out of here. They got music playing. Look at all these good. Man, don't sleep on this stuff, man. You do not have to break the bank. Look at that. $279. My dude at job paid $600 for his Snap-on roll cart. Same number of drawers. All right, I can't do this with y'all. I'm out of here, guys. I've been let down twice today. Well, Harbor Freight didn't come for me. Didn't come through for me this time, so long, suckers. All right, I gotta go. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see y'all in the next video.